Welcome, YouTubers. It's Mr. Shields. And as we settle into the routine of e-learning and now know that it's for the rest of the school year, I want to talk about a great resource, Flipgrid, and more specifically, how it can be utilized within Canvas.
If you're not familiar with Flipgrid, it is a tool that allows you as the teacher to post a prompt and a video, and students can reply with a video of their own when it is convenient for them. I'm going to show you how to add this useful tool into your Canvas course. The first thing you will need to do is go to Settings, click on Settings in the course navigation, and from there you will select Navigation. You can see that Flipgrid is currently disabled, and if it is, you will need to click the three dots and select Enable. Or if it is down in the bottom, you may also drag and drop it at the location where you would like in your course. Don't forget to scroll to the bottom and click Save. Once you have done that, Flipgrid will show in the course navigation on the left side, and you can click to activate Flipgrid right there. And you can log in with either a school Google or a school Microsoft account. I'm going to log in with my Google account. Depending on when the last time you signed into Google, you may be prompted to enter both your username and your password. You can see that I was just prompted for my username. Once I have logged in, Google and Flipgrid are automatically integrated, and I can add a new topic. To do that, it's as simple as clicking the Add New Topic button, and I'm just going to call this example Flipgrid. And then I can set the recording time in which students can respond to me, the maximum amount of time. And I love this feature because it allows me to set anything from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. I'm going to leave it at the default 1 minute and 30 seconds. I also am going to change my Flipgrid so it looks correct. And then I'm going to type a prompt. And you can see that I have a very simple editor. I can do bold, italicize, underline. I could also link to a site if I wanted to, and I can clear the formatting. So I'm just going to make this very generic and type something that students could reply to. And then I have the ability to record or upload a video. I can record a video directly from my device or upload a video that I have previously recorded. You could also add an image. You can see add an emoji. There are other options as well. I'm going to go with the record a video, as that is probably the most likely one that people are going to use when they are using Flipgrid. So I'm going to select record a video. And when I do that, the video recorder will launch. Hello, everyone. And you will see you have several options in terms of stickers and text and additional items you can add to your particular video. And when you're ready, you can just hit the record button. You will get a countdown. And so notice that my default is 10 minutes, and I can give the students a video prompt. I would not recommend a 10-minute video. Best practice is about 3 to 5 minutes. And then when you're done, you can click Next. You have the ability to edit the video that you just made. You also have the ability to add a sticky note if you would like onto your video. So if you want to add something into the students that you may have forgotten, you can do that as well. And when you're ready, you can either add more video if you would like, or you can click Next and finish. And then from there, you can take a selfie that's going to be with your account. So I'm just going to wave and create a selfie. And then I'm going to hit Next. And so it's going to take just a moment. It's going to tell me that my Flipgrid is complete. And now I have the ability to create this topic. And notice that at that point, it gives me the link. I could copy this link and give it to students if you wanted to email it to them or put it in a Google Doc or a Microsoft Shared Doc or something like that. Those would all be great options. But since it's already in Canvas, you really don't need to do that. I'm just going to click All Set. And now I'm going to navigate back to Settings, and I'm going to look at the student view for this course. And so now students who log into your course are going to see Flipgrid in the course navigation, and they are then going to be taken to this location where they will be able to watch my video prompt, and they can add their own just by simply clicking this blue, or rather green and white button right here, and they will then be able to record their video response, and they will have the same option to add stickers and emojis and things like that into their video. So a great tool. This is a very basic overview of Flipgrid, and I hope you can find it useful with your students.